you like to display your Lego and also love the Tron movies, then it's time to clear a small space on your shelf for the Light Cycle set. This kit comes from the LEGO Ideas collection, meaning that this was originally made by a fan who submitted their design to LEGO. I'm really into this set. It may be simple, lacking in features, but I find it to be really cool. This is probably because I was captivated by the film from a young age and definitely love the sequel. This set comes with 3 minifigures to add to the collection. We have our 2 heroes Sam, Flynn, and Cora, and our fallen hero from the original movie, Rizla, formerly known as Tron. I do wish there was room for Cora on the display stand. As it is, with her standing on the side, she kinda seems like an afterthought. For my final thoughts, I'd just like to say that I hope someone out there makes some light cycles from the original movie. I think they would look fantastic on the shelf next to these newer versions. That's all I have to say for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please join me again next week as I have new releases on the way.